What's going on, everybody? So look, I wanted to do a little bit more like research as far as um, looking at these numbers and seeing where else I could use as a reference as well, just to kind of confirm what I think I've been, or to confirm what I've been saying and to confirm kind of what I've been thinking. And so I did go to Social Blade and I did plug in my numbers. It was able to find me, I was really glad. I even tried a couple of other people, and some I found it looked pretty regular, pretty legit, and then a couple of other ones I was just like, damn, that's crazy. But I did pull his numbers again and my numbers just to do a comparison. I know our channels are completely different. He has way more proposed growth than I do versus me. I'm super small, but when I pulled his numbers, it was pretty apparent that it was pretty much the same exact thing as it was on Pro Board. So when I looked, he has absolutely zero drops, and this is just the last 30 days because it looks like you have to pay for a subscription with different levels if you want to go back certain amounts of time. This one for free only gives you the last 30 days, and even in the last 30 days he has zero drops. He only has a few days, maybe like 3 at the most, days where he did not post, or where he posted but he did not get sometimes he didn't even post, actually, where he did not get subscribers. And some of those days he didn't even have a posted video, which it doesn't really matter, but it's the subscriber counts that you're looking at and that you're kind of just looking at it. Those look severely unnatural. I've never seen anybody that has just all 10 plus and up, and they don't have any drops at all. It's kind of weird. So then I went to mine, and then I remember distinctly in the last 30 days at least that mine has gone up and down a little bit. Sometimes you lose subscribers, sometimes you don't. And when I looked at mine, to my not to necessarily my surprise, but I'm glad that they showed it here, because on Pro Board it wouldn't even find me because I was so small. But on mine, you can actually see there were a couple of days in the last 30 days at least where I had subscribers drop off. One day it took away 3, the other day it took away 1. But even my subscribers, you can see on certain days where I didn't even get a single subscriber, I had dropped like 6 videos. Even on the day that I lost 3 subscribers, I dropped 7 videos that day. So you can see kind of like the ebb and flow, the wave of how my channel's been going. And that's just in the last 30 days. I do kind of want to get a subscription just so I can check out and see if it kind of gives me a little more information than what YouTube kind of gives you. YouTube is not, in my opinion, YouTube is good, but it's not like the best, I guess. I don't know. So yeah, as a third party, it looks pretty good, pretty decent, pretty regular. A lot of my views, like I said, from my analytics come from Reels. And I mean, that's what's doing it for me, and I love it. So continue doing that. If you haven't already, make sure you think about doing Reels. I'm telling you, it doesn't cost you much time. Get a AI service like Opus Plus, or there are a ton of them out there. I just use Opus because it's the best for me at this point. It does everything I need it to do. So yeah, it kind of confirms what I've been saying. Like I said, that natural growth looks like this. Natural growth does not look like his chart. And saw somebody else's where it was like, I saw somebody else's and it was like they go 5 days with no subscribers, and then on the 6th day, boom, 100 plus. It goes the same amount of time, another 5, 6 days, boom, nothing, and then boom, another 100. And it's been like that for somebody else that I've been looking at for like an entire year. And so I'm just like, with no drops, no nothing, so it seems like people are either stacking like big time over shorter periods of time, or they're just like micro dripping engagement and subscribers and stuff. So it seems like everybody has like their own little method to it to make it look more natural. I mean, all it takes is somebody to go look at analytics, pull analytics, and you can tell what something normal looks like and something what doesn't look normal looks like. And I think that's all you really need to kind of know. And again, like I said, this is alleged. This is just based on what I'm seeing. And, you know, it is what it is at this, you know, it is what it is. But for all the grinders out there that are grinding, this is what you are probably going to be looking at as you continue to grow. So nickels and dimes, ones, twos, and you might lose one, you might gain some, but it's usually 1, 1, 1, 2, 3 until you start really getting some momentum. Then you usually start to see the numbers kind of go up. But again, it's going to be up in waves. It's not going to be like huge spikes compounded on top of each other like you're going up the Eiffel Tower and not coming down. It just doesn't happen that way. So the numbers do tell a different story. And yeah, so I just wanted to clarify that just in case there was any kind of misunderstanding. And I didn't want to have a misunderstanding by thinking, oh, well, maybe it's just this service that is counting it that way. Let me go check out another service. And yeah, it's pretty much the same. Anyways, catch you in the next one. Peace.